Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Art Verhoeven from AR Lights, and in this video I want to show you how to create a Gobo picker. To do this we go to the on PC, and in the on PC, as you can see, I already have a position picker, and I have a color picker, and I have imported all the macros, the correspondent macros for these pickers. All this you can see in my previous videos. In this video I'm going to concentrate on the Gobos. I have some groups here, and in these groups there are two groups that has fixtures that have Gobos. This is the beam and the spot. Then I have also here I have some presets for these Gobos. The beams, which is a rubber point in this case. Then I've got 21 presets for these beams, number 1 to 21. And the presets are created so that in all the presets of Gobo wheel 1, Gobos from wheel 1, the Gobo wheel 2 will be open, and in the other way around it will be the same thing. If I choose a preset in Gobo wheel 2, it will open automatically preset in Gobo wheel 1. Okay, so let's remember that we have a Gobo preset for the beam, for our beam group, from preset 1 to 21. Then for the other group, which is a quantum profile, in this case, I've got preset 31 to 47. Another thing we need to know, I'll explain you later why, but we also need to know that we have created some all type preset, and in this all type preset we have some zoom presets that are in the beam case it's preset 1 until 4, and in the case of the spots it's 21 until 24. All these dates, it's nice to put them on paper or to have them on hand, so that when we run our macro, they will be asked for this kind of information and we have them ready. Okay, so let's create the attribute picker here in this macro, and it asks the attribute type number, which is in our case number 3 for Gobo. Okay, so we said it will be group 2 through 3, and we should use the beam Gobos, the preset range, the beam Gobo preset range is set from 1 through 21. Then the spot Gobo preset range is 31 through 47. Okay, so we put it on layer number 13. You can put it anywhere you need to for your show, but I prefer to keep the default values, so I'm sure that I won't go over another picker that I created with this plugin. So the layout wide will be 11. That's nice for one, and the layout height will be 4 for screen 1 also. Then the macro pull offset, that is on 1301. I keep it there. It depends on your show where you have space. And the image pull offset, I keep it also there. Sequence pull offset, I keep all them the same number. The next thing it will ask is if I want to enable the autofocus. The autofocus option is is something that I created that works with, and that gives us the possibility for the gobos to be in focus, uh, even if we change from one gobo wheel to another gobo wheel, or if we change the zoom option and the zoom preset, automatically the focusing will change to adapt to the new situation. Okay, we are going to enable this. I've got a special video about how to focus, uh, but that is how to use the autofocus. Now, during this creating the Gobo picker, we're just going to enable it, and then some other questions come. How many wheels do we have? The maximum number of wheels. Both fixture types we use have 2 wheels for gobos, so the maximum number is 2. And the first focus preset, well, this is all the same thing again. Depends on where you have free space in your show. This one will not create too many presets, but it will create one preset for each wheel, for each fixture type, and for each zoom preset you have. So in this case, I've got 2 fixture types, I've got 2 wheels per fixture types, and I've got 4 uh, zoom presets. So that will make 16 presets that it will create from number 901. The first focus sequence, well, it's the same. Every preset will create also a sequence with the same number. Then the zoom preset bank. If you, as I showed you, I've created these presets as all presets, not as focus presets. And so here I need to choose the 0 and not 6. But you can put it in focus presets as well. That's why this is asked. Okay, and it will ask also for the beam zoom preset range. The zoom presets for the beams is 1 to 4, and the zoom presets for the spots is 1 to 24. With this information, it will start to create the Gobo picker. So if we go to the Gobo picker here, then we have a zoom to fit. Then we can see it's for the first fixture is using 2 lines. That's just because this way it fits better into the square or the space that we assigned to it. And the difference here with the other things also is that we have now not the same amount of presets for the different fixture types. One thing that is the same is that now what we have to do is fill it with images. So we go to the image pool, and I didn't save it. Let's go to Gobo Picker again. Sorry for this. And store Gobo Picker, please. Okay. And the image I chose will be here. So, and now we just choose all the images for the different Gobo types, and we just put them in place. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and especially I hope that you will enjoy to work with the Attribute Picker plugin.